If you ever wanted to learn how to make 2D and 3D games, then you've come to the right place. My name is Fahir, the main guy here at Awesome Tuts, and I've created some of the best and most popular game development courses on the internet where I've taught more than 50,000 people how to code and make games. This course is designed to take you from absolute beginner to creating your own games in Unity Game Engine. So let's talk about what you're going to learn in this course. We're going to start with learning how to code in C#, and we're not only going to cover the basics of C#, but we're also going to dive into advanced topics. And this is for absolute beginners. So even if you did not code before, I got you covered. After we learn how to code in C#, we will take a practical learning path where you will learn by creating real-world games. The first game that we are going to create is called Awesome Bomberman, where you will learn the basics of Unity's interface, work with simple physics system, and see how with a couple of lines of code you can create a fun game. After that, we will create a more complex game called Awesome Platformer, where you will learn how to animate characters, create beautiful levels, add enemies in our game, and program their AI to make the enemies attack the player, create our game menu, and even add a boss fight in our game. Next, we will build a 2D infinite runner game called Awesome Roadrunner, where you will learn how to create levels with procedural level generation, save and load your game data, create a character select system where you can select and play your game with different characters, create infinite levels, and much more. After that, we will create our first 3D game called Awesome Zombie Smasher, where you will learn how to work with 3D models, apply physics to them, move our characters in 3D space, detect collision between them, and even work with Unity's particle system. Then we will create our awesome Maze Warrior game, where we dive into advanced game development with health bars, melee battle systems, and even enemy AI, where the enemy can detect the presence of the player and attack him. So if you want to achieve your dreams and learn how to build awesome games, take this course now and I will see you inside.